The Microsoft Deployment Manager, MDM, is an advanced application designed to streamline the management of Microsoft licenses across on-premise and cloud environments. By leveraging automation, MDM converts raw data from various sources into comprehensive licensing requirement reports. Once you have processed your discovery data, a number of reports will become available. In this video, we will focus on the Windows Server Details Report. This report provides an in-depth analysis of all Windows Server deployments within your organization and is designed to help you optimize your licensing strategy and ensure compliance with Microsoft licensing policies. We start with a high-level breakdown of all virtual and physical Windows Server devices in your environment. This section provides a clear visual representation of the distribution of Windows Server editions and versions based on installation counts and device types. Next, the licensing summary table offers a comprehensive view of the total licensing requirements for each Windows Server version and edition, showing the total core requirements of said products based on the most optimal method of licensing the environment. The pricing provided is Level A Enterprise Agreement in US dollar and is used as a point of reference for the RRP cost and for our cost optimization calculations. Moving on to more specifics, we delve into the Windows Server OS Details table. This table provides a detailed analysis of licensing scenarios for each physical server and recommends the optimal licensing strategy based on deployment data. For each physical server, the table indicates if it is part of a cluster and lists all virtual machines hosted on it with Windows Server installed along with the highest version and edition of Windows Server. The licensing requirements are determined by the highest version and edition on both the physical host and its virtual machines. Next, the table recommends the best edition to license the physical host based on the number of virtual machines deployed. For example, a host with 41 virtual machines, currently running Windows Server Standard, would benefit from being licensed with Windows Server Data Center due to its unlimited virtualization rights. This is clearly illustrated by comparing the standard licensing costs with the data center licensing costs. Further along, the table provides additional information about clusters and physical devices, showing licensing requirements for Windows Server Standard if free movement of VMs across the cluster is enabled through vMotion. These insights are crucial for making informed decisions, ensuring compliance and optimizing costs. Windows Server licensing is also available under a per VM model, where instead of licensing the host and deploying a set number of VMs, each individual virtual machine can be licensed separately, which we cover in the Windows Server per VM table. For each VM, the report shows its host and cluster, the edition and version of the VM, and the licensing requirements. To determine whether it is more efficient to license at the host or VM level, we recommend starting with the host. For example, this host's 3 VMs require licensing with Windows Server Standard 2019. If each VM is licensed individually, it would require 24 cores. However, licensing the host with Standard and stacking the VMs would require 32 cores, so it is potentially more cost-effective to license per VM here. Lastly, the Actionable Insights table highlights critical areas needing attention within your deployment. Here we can see devices running end-of-life software, devices running evaluation or insider preview software, or if devices have missing information, pointing out gaps in the deployment data that must be addressed for accurate licensing. We invite you to explore our other demos, which cover the SQL Server Report, our Office 365 analysis, our deployment overview, which includes products such as System Center, Exchange, BizTalk, Visio, Project, and more. And lastly, our optimal license position generation, where we conduct the full license allocation. For more information or to schedule a personalized consultation, please contact us. Thank you.